Hello and welcome, this is Daniel from Sangreal Rings. First off, I would like to say a massive thank you if you subscribed over the last couple of months. It has been a little hectic and crazy, but also amazing at the same time. This is just a quick video to show an updated process of our popular Onyx and Opal ring, so I hope you enjoy. I would like to say thank you very much if you made it this far into the video, and I hope you enjoyed the process of me making the Onyx and Opal rings. And if you like this ring or any other rings we make, please check out sangrealrings.com. Thank you once again, and see you in the next one.